One of the new features in CampWorks 3.11 is the ability to keep track of rooms and cabin housekeeping status. And the way the status, there's a couple different ways to look at the status. One is on the reservation grid. So let me scroll down to my cabins, and in this case we're testing a feature where the rooms have been renamed to golf carts, so that's a whole separate issue, but let's just focus on the cabins. So red means that they are dirty, green means that they are ready or clean. So let's go in and change the status. So if we go into the room, let's go into one of the cabins and change the status. So go to my cabins, and so let's say, so now we can see the cabin has a red indicator at the top saying that's dirty. Let's change it to clean. We just hit the clean button, and that's all we have to do, and now it's changed to clean. Let's do that for 1 and 2. Sorry, I didn't need to click up there. Hit clean. Now we can exit out. Let's go back to the grid and see that it has changed on the grid, and both those are clean and ready for the next guest. I've updated this now to have 2 reservations that are checked in currently for this site, or for these 2 cabins. And what I want to show you now is that upon checkout, CampWorks will automatically turn the cabin dirty. So let's do a checkout on this one. Checkout and exit. And now you can see the status has been turned to red on that one. And so, and the other one, of course, I haven't checked out yet, so it is still green. But I also want to show you one more step, which is the housekeeping report. To manage the housekeeping, you can use the housekeeping report to see what cabins or rooms are due to be cleaned that day. If you go to rental spaces and then housekeeping needs cleaning, view the report, it will show you what is due to be cleaned. One note that I want to mention is that if you have the auto checkout feature turned on, it will automatically set the status to dirty as soon as the day the guest is due to check out. So if they're due to check out today, it doesn't wait to the checkout to actually happen. Basically at the beginning of that day, or when you start CampWorks for that day, it will run the auto checkout routine, and it will then automatically set those to dirty so they show up on the housekeeping report for that date. So if you print it right away in the morning, you'll see that there are cabins on here that show as dirty because they're due to be checked out today.